tonight's sunset. It was a beautiful sunny day today. Getting the boat ready to travel by the end of the month. This is going to be the windshield. Mark's got to cut out space for the windows and put in the plexiglass. So that's going to be the windshield. The new autopilot just came. It's up front. Ooh, check out the sky over there. Colors. Check out the sky. More of the sky. Beautiful colors tonight. Sarah Ann Bayou up near Rocky Bayou. Mark. Hey. No, stop. Mark is hard at work. What are you doing?
Wiring up the autopilot.
What else are you working on?
Nothing. Windshield.
How many other projects do you need to finish?
Windshield, toilet. I'm good.
Windshield, toilet, radar.
That's not until next week.
Oh.
That might be 2 weeks.
Oh. And how many weeks do we have?
We got all of them. one week at a time.
3 weeks. That's all we have left here. Yeah. 3 weeks is all we have left here at the dock.
It's all good. All good in the neighborhood.
All right. That's what we're up to. Getting the boat ready. The dolphin are out. If I can get them. Let's see. Mark.
Come on out.
Were they going in or coming out?
To the right.
I thought I saw them going.
I don't know.
Oh, he's right there.
Right there.
Oh, right there. Oh, oh.
There. Cool.
Right here.
Eating all my fish.
Yep. And the ducks. Oh, oh, what was that? Oh, Mark. A little playing going on. Okay, where'd they go? They're somewhere in here. Oh, I hear him. Okay, looks like they've moved away from us. Oh, they're over there somewhere. Oh my gosh, he was right here. Oh, wow.
What's that?
The one just came up right here by their sailboat.
Huh.
Uh,
Cool.
oh, over there now. So I hear them and then they go down before I get over there. Okay, I think they've disappeared. There. That was a good one. I think breakfast time is about over. They're headed on out now.